Hey guys, in this video I'll be teaching you how to link your website with Cloudflare. Well, Cloudflare is a CDN. A CDN means a content delivery network. What Cloudflare actually does is that instead of you having your website information in the cloud with just your web hosting company, it actually distributes those informations to different data centers, thereby allowing your users to be able to reach them and get those information faster. As you can see, your files, that's your information, will be distributed to hundreds of computers, thereby by the location of your users, it routes your website better for them. Well, Cloudflare is a good service which is actually free, and it has a lot of plugins. You can actually optimize your site with Cloudflare. I know they have a free SSL for you, but that's not the scope of this course, but you can check it out and they'll allow you to optimize your website better. Okay, I'm going to walk you guys on how to link your website with this amazing network. Go to Cloudflare. I click in sign up. Can use any email which you have not used in creating an account with Cloudflare before. So you put in your password. Click on create account. You put in the site you want to link to Cloudflare. The site we'll be using is my domain site, which is bestgist.com. So we'll just pick the URL. Click on add site. These are the various plans. $20 a month, $200 a month. You can see the packages here and all. So we'll just click on the free plan, which offers also the best services to me though. But you guys can as well choose any plan you want, but for beginners you can just start with a free plan, then with time you can increase your quota. So click on continue. Wow, these are the name servers that Cloudflare have given to us. So what we do next is that we take out the name servers which are being placed on my Namecheap account, that's dns1.namecheaphosting.com, and replace it with this special DNS given to us by Cloudflare. So what we do, we pick the first name server and take it to my Namecheap account which I've opened. So it depends on where you get your domain. That's where you buy your domain registrar. Mine is on Namecheap. Some of you might be using GoDaddy or other companies, but I'm using Namecheap, so it's supposed to be the same process though. So I'll click on manage. Okay, click on custom DNS and I replace this with this, and I go back, pick the other one, I place it here and click check. By the way, I'm hosting the sites with Namecheap, so you guys might not have seen the custom DNS for this account, but you using a different hosting company and a different domain provider, you can see yours and just change the first and the second to what Cloudflare gives to you. So I'll click on Done, check name servers. We can now click on Get Started or Finish Later. Let's just click on Finish Later. Okay. As you can see, it will take some couple of hours for it to propagate properly. So it's showing bestgist.com is not yet active on Cloudflare. So you just have to wait for some time. Then you receive a message telling you that your site is linked to Cloudflare. If you like this video, kindly leave us a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and kindly turn on your notifications to get more videos from us.